Let's take a look at a D2L homepage, and I'll walk you through setting up your first presentation. We'll go up to More Tools, and we'll click on ePortfolio. Next, we're going to add files, but it's a good idea to have your files already organized in a folder to make this quick and easy. Click Add Files. You can upload or drag and drop. I'll upload, navigate to my folder. I'll choose 4 files to upload. Now I'll click Add to ePortfolio. I'll go up to My Items, and I'll click New Presentation. Name the presentation with your last name and some reference to the assignment that you're working on. We'll just call this one Demo. You can add a description if you like, not necessary. The next thing we'll do is we'll move over to Content Layout. Here you can add pages, you can rename pages, we can edit banner, we can edit the overall theme of your presentation. Let's start here on Pages. We'll click this drop down next to New Page, and we'll go to Page Properties. We're going to rename this page that we've already created. I'll call it Demo 1. In my class, the pages represent the stage at which you're at in an assignment. So we'll click Save, and let's just say in this particular assignment that lasts 3 weeks, you need 3 pages. So we'll click the New Page icon. We'll set up a new page. We'll call it Demo 2, and we'll save that. The last week of this assignment is going to be the critique, so we'll call it Demo Critique. And we'll click Save. Name pages so they can clearly identify where we are in an assignment. For example, the presentation may be called Demo. Page 1 might be called Demo 1, page 2 might be called Demo 2, and the final page might be called Demo Critique. Click Save when you're done with that. Here also we have the opportunity to edit the banner. We can include a name for our presentation here, and we'll just call this demonstration video. And we can add a description. Let's say this will be this will be a great presentation. Let's make sure everything's capitalized. And now we can go to Theme. Theme is the overall look of your presentation, and you have a number of choices here. In fact, 3 pages worth of choices. I'm going to select the Titan theme. It's simple. I'm going to click Select, Set Theme. And now we're going to start to add some content, some images to our presentation. Let's go back to Content Layout. And here we're going to choose our first week, or Demo 1, the first page. And we're going to click Add Component. And we're going to click Artifact. And we are going to click those 4 files that we uploaded a few seconds ago. We'll click Add. We want to make sure that comments are enabled on each one of these images. Without clicking that, no one, including yourself or your peers or your instructor will be able to make comments, and that's important. So at this point, we're going to close it out. And let's take a look at our progress. So we'll go to our presentation here. We'll go to the drop down. We'll go to Edit. No, I'm sorry. Let's go up to View. And you can see that this is our banner up here. We called it Demonstration Video. We gave it a little description. This will be a great presentation. And what we see here is page 1. And we see the 4 images that I uploaded to the page 1. So the next step for us is going to be to add content to the final 2 pages. So now I'm just going to close out the review presentation. And before we can add content to our presentation, we need to upload more images. So we're going to go click on ePortfolio up here. And I want to suggest that there's a number of different ways to add files or artifacts to ePortfolio. This tab is the single place where you can add multiple files at one time. Other opportunities you might have will only allow you to upload a single file at any given moment. So this is convenient. So let's add more files. Add files, upload, desktop. I'll go to my second group. I'll select 4 files. I'll click Open. I will click Add to ePortfolio. Now I'm going to go back to my demo. I'm going to go to Edit. It's my demo presentation. I'm going to go to Content Layout again. I'm going to go to my second page. And I'm going to add components there. I'll click Artifact. And I'm going to click those last 4 files I uploaded. I'll click Add. I'll click Comments Enabled. And I'm going to fix a little typo here, Page Properties. And I'll click Save there. And I'm going to close out of this. And I'm going to check on our progress. Let's view it. Here's our page 1. Here's our page 2. It's good to have descriptive names of your files also. It's going to help your instructor and your peers kind of understand a little bit more about your image making. So I'm going to click out of my review presentation. I'm going to go back up to ePortfolio. We're going to add some more files to add to the last page. Let's click Add Files. Let's click Upload. Go to my last group. Open. And we'll click Add to ePortfolio. And now we're going to go to our demo presentation. We're going to edit. And we'll go back to Content Layout. And we're going to go to the last page, the critique page. We're going to add components. Click Artifact. We're going to click the last 4 files we uploaded. We will make sure that comments are enabled. And we will close this out. And now let's go back to our demo and check out the completed presentation. We'll click View. We've got page 1 done. Page 2 is done. Our critique page now has images. So I want you to note that every individual images has a comment box, which allows you to reflect on your own images. It allows your instructor and your fellow classmates to add comments on your images, all individually. The other thing that everyone can do is if you go up to Review Presentation, there's an opportunity to comment or reflect on the whole presentation, not just on individual images. So I'm going to close out of Review Presentation. So we've gone through adding 3 pages to a presentation, adding content to each of the pages, and that'll be it for creating a presentation. The next video I'll make will be how to share a presentation.